I'm back again with another video. Thought I'd show you guys my shop. I've done a couple of repairs right here, running some new salt treated wood down the front right here, and I gotta run a piece off the top here, guys. I'm just doing some small repairs to my shop here, garage, barn, or whatever. I just want to share this with you guys, man. No matter what what shape your barn in, it's always better than having nothing. So I try to do repairs to mine just to keep it together. I get in there and do stuff, waxes and paint. I paint cars in this thing. I had it here about 10 years. So, oh, more years than that. Let's see. It's been here about 11 years to be exact. So I'm gonna finish running new wood across the front, across the top up here, run some new wood on the other side going down. And yeah, just try to patch it up, man, keep it together. Like I said, it's been there about 11 years, so it's stood the test of time, that's for sure. And how I framed it, where I got mine built up here, so that's good right there, salt treated. I use creosote poles, made sure it's very solid. When I built it, I set it, I used creosote pole. A lot of people call it telephone poles. I used those, I stood them up. They're very heavy though. They use telephone poles. I did lift them right up by myself, put them in the ground, and then I framed it up using telephone poles, man. That's solid it can get using creosote telephone pole. So I know they ain't going nowhere. So I just want to share that with you guys. I'm doing a little shop repairs. I kind of got my tools and stuff organized a little bit here, as you can see. I moved all my tools to one side. See here, got all my miscellaneous stuff in here. I need to paint my boxes up, man. And I got miscellaneous stuff down there. And, miscellaneous stuff here. Vacuum cleaner, skill saw, whatever. Engine degreaser. I got a lot of stuff going on here. Just working on the floors too. Putting little pieces of plywood on the floor. No big deal. Just have somewhere to walk. Nice and dry. Get in here, change oil, whatever sometime. And that's all you can ask for, man. Just have a shop to work in. But I'm doing repair, like I told you guys. I'm trying to fix up the top here. I'm gonna run a steel beams down here, cause I'm gonna take and put a common on here, have it so I can pull motors out on a steel beam. I'll run a beam about this thick. I got a big piece of steel beam here. I'm gonna go across here. Might run one here and one further back, so I can hook motors up. And then I can put my common on, and just pull a motor right out of the car like this. So that's where I want to do mine. Have mine, I can pull engines. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this little session, man. I'm still working at my shop. Take care. I'll see y'all on the next video. Peace.